Seasoned travelers know that inland Crete is full and as attractive and appealing as the coastal Crete of the beaches and the resorts. Zaros is an inland village on the southern foot of Mount Psiloritis that has made a specialty of catering to the quiet set. The focal point of Zaros is the small lake that forms part of a wetland where a number of rare birds and other wildlife have taken refuge. Some cafes front the lake, which has become an ideal refuge for people as well, especially on summer evening. The hotels are basic but clean. To get to Zaros from Heraklion, drive along the main southbound highway for 30 kilometers, turning right at Aghia Varvara and following the winding road for about 15 kilometers. There is also a bus service from Heraklion, but service is infrequent.